Compared to the screw conveyor, the sawtooth conveyor will perform better in terms of synchronization, especially for tiny bar stock in diameter 0.8 to 8 millimeters. Langshuo LSCN-TINY is born for tiny bar stock. Its sawtooth transfer bar stock to the channel stably, instead of warp it like the screw thread conveyor done. LSCN-TINY will be useful in the production of small shaft products or micro-precision screw products. This excellent derivative will be adapted to different turning applications. You may not use it as often as conventional machine tools, but it's best to prepare one in the workshop. You will definitely use it.